Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay in Amazon Music. So turning off autoplay in Amazon Music stops it from playing similar songs automatically after your music ends. So actually guys, first you will need to open the app on your phone and then just start playing any song. Okay, so let's say I will go with that song. Okay, it's Talk by Khaled, and you will need to look for the autoplay icon, okay, on and at the top of the playing bar, okay, which is on the bottom of the screen actually. All right, so you will find an icon right there, like a symbol, the infinite symbol, for example, and all you need to do is to tap it to turn it off. So you will be able to do that if you have the unlimited plan or the family plan. So when it's off, the music will stop after your playlist or album ends. So the autoplay may turn back on after updates or the install. So some regions and accounts show it differently, and it only appears when playback is active. So turning off the autoplay helps to save data, avoid unwanted songs, and control exactly what plays next. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.